$343 million, that's the exposure of JP Morgan, the largest bank in the world, which is accumulating Bitcoin through BlackRock's EBIT ETF. Their reserves have increased by 64% since June. This is very important news, as it shows us how the biggest players are slowly accumulating. I wanted to start today's session with this before moving on to the news, which at the moment is less positive. Right now, the Bitcoin chart doesn't look great, although it's actually holding up quite well compared to traditional markets. And that in a moment, we'll take a detailed look at it. One of the main reasons is that in the United States, the government shutdown, the longest in history, continues. We are now on day 36, and hopefully it ends soon, but for now, we have to hang tight. Of course, this is dragging markets down because it creates uncertainty. In fact, we can see that even the S&P 500 has lost its 50-day exponential moving average, which had been supporting the entire rally since May 25th, 2025. The same thing is happening with the Nasdaq, which is also breaking slightly below that line after holding it since May 2025. It would be very important to close today's candle above that moving average. But as we were saying, Bitcoin and the crypto market are not reacting badly at all. Despite the negative news and the strong drop in traditional stocks, at least by the standards we're used to, Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum and altcoins, are holding up very well, even showing a slight uptick. This is a very positive sign because we're seeing a lot of buyers at these price levels, especially between $98,000 and $100,000, where there's heavy trading volume. Buyers are supporting the price, and that's a great sign. Despite the stock market's decline, holding this price level is crucial to maintaining the bull run. A very important post shows how the whales, large holders, are accumulating during this price drop of Bitcoin down to $98,000 to $99,000 after a period of distribution that started in August 2025. They've started accumulating again. And remember, whales often buy during Bitcoin's downturns. This is a key signal that shows how strong hands are moving right now. We can also see it in another post showing that whales holding between 1,000 and 10,000 BTC have been accumulating, reaching a total of $3 billion this week. The smart money is moving. They've bought the dip. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, here's the weekly Bitcoin chart. We must absolutely hold the 50-week exponential moving average, which has supported us since October 2023. Even though we've had some downside spikes with candle wicks, we've never closed below this moving average. It's crucial to maintain it now. This level could decide whether the trend continues or if we've reached the end of it. That's all for today, guys. Remember to stay updated, whether with me or other channels, to always stay on top of the market, because that can make the difference between losing and winning.